Okay, notice this is the before picture. As you notice, there's lots of grass, lots of vegetation. This driveway needed some major attention. The weeds have just taken over all down the driveway here, and as you can see, under the carport as well. Now, where the carport is, it's a very low area. It's a lake there, he says, when it rains. We're gonna fix that. And all right, let's go. Let's get this driveway started. This Harley rake is a miracle worker. It's gonna try to, what we're gonna try to do with it is take all the grass out and refresh the gravel so we can regrade it and get this driveway back to new again. You'll see the results as the first pass.
We just got started about 2 minutes ago, and so this is the first pass right now. We're putting the Holly rake in there, and what it's doing is kind of refreshing the old driveway. Got the locates right here, Caddo Mills, Texas. He's fixing to go for the second pass. Okay, here we go with the second pass. Starting to clean up, starting to look better. Here we go. Another beautiful day out here in Greenville, Texas, Caddo Mills, Texas. Let us know how we can help you. Hope everybody's having a good morning. So we're back at it again. Like I said, this is already the second pass. So it's amazing. This customer, I was talking to him, and he said that this rock has been here 20 years. Man, look at that. It's all cleaned up. It's crazy that this has been here this long. Pretty cool. Caddo Mills, Texas. First load of rock. Here we go.
We lifted up this carport 1 foot off the ground. It was in a low area where it was holding a bunch of water, and the homeowner had to walk through there when they parked their cars through the water, get their shoes all wet. Now, and there was a lake there by that tree. So now we cut a swell, swept it all the way over, installed that culvert across there, captured the other side, and it runs the water all the way to the road now. We also edged the edge of this road up with the dirt from the swell, because it dropped off pretty steep, to soften that up and make that edge nice and straight. All this water should clear out of here now. No more water standing under that tree. He's dragging this out with the box blade, and he's tamping in under the carport over there with the packing plate, getting it all packed in. Always hand dig your cables. Just finishing up with the edges and Harley launch blade. Well, he's dragging this out. All right. Turned out super nice. Everything draining really well, as it should. Customer's very happy. Give us a call today. Let us know about your project and how we can help.